Colder seasons are coming and winter's not too far around the corner, and you want something to keep your hands nice and warm. And depending on the size of your hands, these gloves may be right for you. They came well packaged, and they are clipped together by this little clip right here so you don't lose the other pair. And this is the left-hand glove. It is waterproof. It should have some type of Gore-Tex on it, and it is named Motorment. It's got a strap that will pull tight and keep the heat from escaping. Inside the glove is a black lining, and I'll do my best to try to show you. It's got a little bit of felt material right there. It is not going to be, battery operated heating. There are other gloves for that. And it doesn't have fingertips so you could do your phone with it. These gloves are touch screen sensitive, so we can swipe up and swipe on the screen and open up, say, iMovie and check our app. So you can see it's a little bit difficult to do, but it will open up and do its job. It simply slides on. I take a extra large, and this is what I have. And you do want to make sure you get the correct size for your hands, and you want to pull this nice and tight. Insulation, and that is exactly what these gloves are. Proper size for your hands. They are nice and warm. They're going to keep you nice and comfortable in the colder seasons to come. So I hope you enjoy your product when the cold season hits near. These gloves may be right for you.